Welcome to Delft Stack. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to redirect the standard error stream or StdErr to a file in Linux. This is essential when you want to separate error messages from regular output, especially in scripting or logging scenarios. Let's get started. Let's generate an error by attempting to change to a non-existing directory. Now, if you want to save the error message to a file, use the following command. Here, 2 refers to the file descriptor for StdErr or standard error. That's it for this tutorial. You have learned how to redirect StdErr to a file in Linux. For more tutorials, check out our Linux playlist. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Delft Stack for more insightful tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content.